Hello, my hardworking learners. Once again, I welcome you to Self Learn channel, where mathematics is made simpler. In our previous lessons, we've been solving equations of different sets. Today, or in this lesson, we are going to solve linear equation involving a fraction. And then in solving this equation, we have two ways. One is to first eliminate the fraction, then solve. And the second is to solve the left hand side of the equation as fraction, and you solve. So let's look at how to solve by eliminating the fraction. To eliminate the fraction, you have to multiply the terms in the equation by the LCM. So with this, somebody may ask, which LCM do you have? The LCM here is 2 because all the numbers here are over 1, as you know in mathematics. So our LCM is 2, so we use it to multiply every term in the equation. Right, so this 2 will divide this 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, multiplied by y is y. So y plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So we want to make y stand alone, so what we have to do is to eliminate what is attached to y, and that is plus 6. And as we've been doing, this is plus, so I have to introduce the inverse operation of the same number to both sides. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So y plus 6 minus 6 will be equal to 10 minus 6. This 6 will cancel this 6, leaving the y, which is equal to 4. So the value of y is 4. So when I place this 4 in this equation, we realize that this side of the equation will be 5, and which is the same as this. So we said our answer is right. Now let's look at the second way of solving this. We are going to write the first 2 terms and equate it to 5. And we are going to solve this as a fraction by using the LCM method. So the LCM between 1 and 2 is 2. So 2 into 2, or 2 divides 2, will give us 1, or 2 times what will give us 2. That is 1, right? So 1 multiplied by this 1 will give us 1, multiplied by the y will give us y. And then 1 into 2, how many times? 2 times. Or which number multiplied by 1 will give us 2? That is 2, right? So 2 multiplied by this 3, so we have plus 6. 1 into 2, 2 times, multiplied by the numerator, that is 6, right? Which is equal to 5. So when you are solving an equation which involves a fraction or fractions, and the 2 terms are separated by equal to, the best way to do it is to cross multiply, right? So I'm going to cross multiply. This 5 is over 1. This one will multiply the numerator of the first term, and then the denominator of the first term multiply the numerator of the second term. So this 1 multiplied by y plus 6, and this is going to give us y 1 outside the bracket, y plus 6, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. So this 2 multiplies the 5 here, right? Now we know any number multiplied by anything is the same thing. So 1 multiplied by y plus 6 will give us back y plus 6 as it is, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10, right? So 10. We know what to do from here. I would like you to complete this and then compare the answer to the first one we had. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in the completion of the second method. Bye bye.